Hey West Ottawa, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create an explicit constructed response and a flexible assessment for Illuminate. Once you've logged in to Illuminate and you've created your assessment template and you've uploaded your materials, you're going to go ahead and add your questions. So in order to add the question, one question, you can click on Add. That will give you a single question. If you want to add multiple questions at one time, you can use a lightning bolt and say I want to have two more. I can add two more and it will automatically put those in for me. So it's a little bit faster. So the first option you could have for constructed response is just a plain constructed response. And this is really going to be used for rubrics if you want to use evaluations that way, or if the student is going to write an essay and you're just going to score it manually. For an explicit constructed response, this will actually be great because it can autocorrect for you. And this would be where you could use something like a spelling test, vocabulary test, things like that, where they have the definition or they have an image or icon and they need to type in the correct response for it. So what this allows you to do is to give alternative responses. So say, for example, I have a picture with 8 ducks in it and I ask them the question, how many ducks are in this picture? They could type in the number 8, but they also might spell the number 8. So then I could put this in here as well as a solution or as an answer. I also, if I'm not correcting spelling, I could put ATE. It's still the number 8. It is case sensitive, so you also will want to put other possible solutions that they could put in here as their answer. Because if this is lowercase and they put an uppercase, it will mark it as incorrect. When you're done, you can also change the weights on these. So say I want to give full credit if they have it spelled correctly, then I would do that. But say if they spelled it incorrectly, then maybe I'll give them a half a point on there and I can change it. Again, I can tag my standards here. I can choose which category or question group I want this in. And if it's extra credit, I can select the extra credit. Notice that this will automatically save my question that I've put into there. And when I'm done with all of my questions, I click on Done, and this will walk me through the next steps to administer the assessment. If you have any further questions, please reach out to your WOTEC team.